Spain approves national minimum income. All the comments seem to be talking like this is a UBI, but it sounds like welfare to me. They're topping up income to the lowest earners. Or did I misunderstand? Spaniard here, the idea is for the government to pay to the poorest families, a minimum quantity of money to keep them and their children from starving. The amount is not given to the individual but to the household/family unit and calculated by some factors including the number of children, to a maximum of 2. I feel like it could potentially cover food. After living in some non-European countries I consider food to be really cheap here, and public transportation, but it wouldn't get you any place to rent, at least in the major cities, although it might be enough in the small towns where unemployment is more prevalent. In a very polarized political landscape, at least 80% of the population is heavily in favor of such measures, and even the ultra-right party has done a complete U-turn to support it, whereas some weeks ago they called it a Venezuela-like communist petty bribe. Some other economic aids have been given during the quarantine and total lockdown, and for a historic first time, self-employed professionals, like myself, could get access to those benefits like common employees and workers do. They have also announced tax rises to those earning more than 400,000 euros/year. It's easy to see that right-wingers are extremely pissed and angry with these measures. It's basically a welfare system, the kind that already exists across Europe. This is not UBI and still has all the same problems of welfare stigma, disincentive to offboard, etc. I'm glad folks who need help are getting it, but we can do so much more as a society. Good for you, Spain. I needed a little hope in humanity. This isn't UBI. This is welfare. The United States and most other first world countries already have this removed. Earnest question, how are they intending to pay for this? The article doesn't say. I am hoping it is by increasing taxes on upper class, so as to deter inflation. I think Canada has something like that for seniors. Guaranteed income supplement. If their pension and old age security don't equal a certain amount, then they top them up. Deleted. The cabinet has approved it. Supporting legislation has not been passed through Parliament yet, and the Spanish government are a minority coalition. It's premature to celebrate just yet. Meanwhile, 13K hospital bill for the Rona in the US. This looks similar to the Hartz IV that exists in Germany since 2003. https://en. Wikipedia, org/wiki/Hartz_concept. Okay, now I'm really curious to how this is going to affect the situation with Catalonia. Creators of CivVI are kicking themselves for not putting UBI in the civics tree. Australia has had this for a long time. It's called New Start Allowance, only available while you look for a job. Negative incentives, employers will now worry less about salaries. It's not UBI, but at least it's a step in the right direction. Fuck yeah. Wait, do not many countries have this? Here in New Zealand we've had it for a long time. I thought it was pretty standard across the world. But ma taxpayer money. If it were in America. This is not universal. You have to be almost homeless to qualify. I don't think that's actually a minimum income from how it is meant to be. This is more like a social security/welfare payment. Very cool, not a UBI, sad. So am I reading things correctly in that, if you make less than 462 a month, you are given the amount needed to reach that amount, given the requirements anyway? So basically, if one made 350, they would be given the other 112 to reach that minimum? I am curious to see how this plays out. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao ciao ciao. Musical score. The government would pay the monthly stipend and top up existing revenue for people earning less so that they receive at least that minimum amount every month, he said. I was super excited at first, but the topping up bit makes it sound like they're just subsidizing an inappropriately low minimum wage. Other links. Spain to push through minimum income guarantee to fight poverty, https://www. Food. com/content/0B6A5D252E0784DFCB314F659B566317A. Spain's guaranteed minimum income scheme set to assist 850,000 families, https://English. El País. com/economy_an_business/2020-05-25 Spain's guaranteed minimum income scheme set to rescue 850,000 families. HTML, output type equals AMP. How is this financed? Now they're gonna arrest people for not having enough money. SMH. Congrats Spain, hope it works out for you. The program would cost the government about 3 billion euros a year. I can't find the math, but the return per €1 is something like €7. I could be way off, but it's a sound investment with great returns. Americans can't comprehend this sort of thing, but at the same time pay a fortune for healthcare. Most other countries are used to their government caring for citizens rather than just big business. I shall watch your career with great interest. Who are the taxpayers that will support the national minimum income? Because the state doesn't generate money, much less gives away free money without some gain. This is sure to be an interesting case study. Edit, misunderstood this to be a type of UBI. Though apparently that is kind of by design of the wording. Let us know how it works out about 2030. Isn't this just the same as auto-approving welfare if needed, instead of the futuristic vision of giving everyone 3K a month and never having to work cause everything is automated? This is going to drive wages/hours down for the lowest paid jobs. Why pay higher wages or offer more hours when the government can top your offering up to the individual? I've kept hearing, over the past month, about Spain being ready to adopt UBI. This isn't UBI. Did the plan change? Or were media outlets and others simply misunderstanding UBI and simply using the wrong terminology? Well, see how it plays out. Spain in shambles due to socialist economic stances. Oh, I know what we need, income communism. Nice. Next, the government should start regulating prices for goods and services. So welfare. Misleading news. Just another welfare program. Modern welfare is awful, it supports you but you're cut off when you're trying to climb out of your situation and they cut you off when you're vulnerable, so you either back off on better jobs or crash and crawl back to them. This hurts more than helps. You shouldn't have to deny promotions or bettering your income because you're scared of losing the monetary support you depend on, or your issued insurance denies you but you still can't afford insurance elsewhere. So, minimum wage with an extra step. The experiment begins. Now we see how it plays out. The mass widespread inequality and disparity of wealth through globalization has consequences. This isn't the same as universal basic income, right? Or is it? It's just a minimum yearly income if you are working. What's new? We have it for 10 years in Portugal. Thank you German taxpayers for your generosity. $800/month equivalent. The title is misleading. It's not UBI, it's a program to provide income for households that can prove they don't have resources to sustain themselves anymore. This sounds like food stamps in the US. It's about the same amount of money that a family of 4 may receive here, only the US makes sure you spend it at the grocery store. Giving cash to some households is not a guaranteed way to see children well fed, unfortunately. A civilized society. Judge society by how it treats its most vulnerable. Spaniard, well, Catalan, yeah no. Here. I'm very happy with this measure, but honestly I don't know how we will be paying for this. Most people is still waiting for the ERTS money from 2 months ago, temporal job cuts subsidized by the state with an approx 70% of the salary, and culturally speaking we're kind of second world. Most people here lives on monthly basis and doesn't have enough money in the bank to pay for next rent or groceries if their income is delayed. I'm on the upper side of the salaries here, 45K, and I think there's a tax reform coming, otherwise I honestly don't know how are we getting through this. I'll be glad to help if that's the case.